Hello everyone, this is Haley from LP. Today we will introduce you about our castle type modular cleanroom. This modular cleanroom is a freestanding structure and very easy for assembly. Every components are prefabricated in our factory and realize a key-like installation. It will be very easy for your installation. Next, let me introduce you about our main parts of the modular cleanroom. This is the control panel, which consists of a touch screen control panel and a pressure gauge. Here you can monitor the temperature, humidity, differential pressure inside the modular cleanroom. This is for communication between the cleanroom and the outside. And this is a dynamic pass box, which can pass through materials inside and outside the modular cleanroom. This is the entrance door, which is featured with an interlocking system.